What is it now? And my power outage is out again. So I don't have my 120 for this one as well.
Indiana and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Indiana to 7 miles east of Connellsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Indiana, Homer City, Muskegonatown, Loyalhanna, Blairsville, Derry, Ligonier, Black Lick, Seven Springs, Clymer, New Florence, Chevy Chase Heights, Seward. This includes Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 87 and 99. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.